Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal from Jio World BKC, the poshest mall of Mumbai. और आज हम यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कि फूड के क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है. हाई एंड ब्रांड्स तो बहुत सारे हैं, आप उसमें शॉपिंग करो या सिर्फ विंडो शॉपिंग करो, लेकिन खाना तो पड़ता ही है जब भी मॉल में आते हो. तो लेट अस एक्सप्लोर व्हाट ऑल फूड दे हैव ऑन ऑफर. So I am on the second floor and this food court is designed more like an airport lounge where you have all the brands which have see-through kitchens. Well, this is a very interesting outlet which serves the Turkish and Arabic cuisine, and they have a live pita bread oven. So similar to tandoor, the pita breads are put on the bottom of the oven and they puff up nicely, and that's an experience to see. It is very similar, like roti puffs up is similar to that, and they are very tasty and fresh. And that is some delicious looking shish tuk. There was a Turkish chef who was actually making the hummus, and look at his skills, the way he made this beautiful presentation. And all of this is live counters, so आप वहाँ खड़े होके उनको देख भी सकते हो ये beautiful dishes create करते हुए, और उनको taste भी कर सकते हो. That's the delicious looking shish tuk. These are chicken kebab made Turkish style, served with a basket of pita. This meal costed around 600 rupees. It was delicious and the taste was absolutely authentic. Then you have a counter by famous brand Indigo and Neil. And after that, for the Indian palate, they got Spiceopedia, which does chaat and other Indian delicacies. Then there is a Japanese restaurant which does beautiful sushis. So look at the plate presentation. So if you want to taste some Japanese food, you can head to Jio World BKC. Look at the food court. It is more like a luxury lounge, very spacious and nicely decorated. Let us see what all other brands are there. So this is the Sassy Cafe. Now, being a Independence Day, they had this tricolor pastries and macaroons and all those goodies. Plus they have a good variety of savory salads, burgers and other things. So that's the Legit, the brand which serve American burgers, gourmet burgers and mocktails. While we were there, we saw them preparing this delicious looking mojitos. The flavors were green apple, tangerine and kaffir lime, so a decent variety. Then we decided to order one burger from Legit, and this was a Cajon chicken burger. So he made it in front of us, assembled it in front of us. So this is an experience which you generally don't get in any food court, where most of the things are prepared in front of your eyes. So you can sit and relax and enjoy, or you can just visually see also how your food being made. Just the burger costed around 400 rupees and the taste was fair. They also have a brand which does tacos, cotton candy and all those things. Being a holiday, the mall was absolutely packed with people, and on the first floor they also have some more vanilla outlets, so we'll check out those. So they have this gourmet chocolate brand, and look at the fit and finish. I mean, getting such a glaze on chocolates is extremely difficult. They got a Harem's Turkish baklava which is there, and they got a super variety of baklavas. Little expensive but very authentically made. And look at these presentations. A lot of people were buying the gift boxes where you can buy the assortment of them. They also got small Turkish delights. So if you want to taste some authentic Turkish baklava, this is the place. Yes, you also got the showstopper Turkish ice cream here. And look at how the kids is being teased by this ice cream man. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस था. अगर आपके बच्चों को मुंबई में ये एक्सपीरियंस देना है तो जियो वर्ल्ड मॉल में आप दे सकते हैं टर्किश आइसक्रीम का. Look at the happiness on his face once he finally got the ice cream. So apart from that, the mall has few more restaurants. This is the Cacao on the ground floor, which is fairly large. It is patisserie daily kind of a restaurant where you could see those amazingly made pastries and some of the sandwiches which they make. They also serve smoked salmon, cold cuts, all those varieties. So this is very typically how you see a deli in Europe. They have kind of replicated that with the decor and the offerings. So there was a special that was a good performance. Now let us explore the Fresh Pick. Now this is a gourmet supermarket inside the mall and they got wide varieties of international cuisines, sauces, condiments, everything. So let us explore what all they got. So they had a counter for yogurts, some assortments of baklava, and they had some good varieties of dates. Now you get different varieties of these Middle Eastern dates. We purchased some and they were quite awesome. With regular fruits and vegetables, other options are also there. Another very interesting option was there was a sushi station where live sushi is being made and there was a guacamole bar. So you had a top thing from Mexican cuisine and top thing from Japanese cuisine sitting side by side. And these were some international avocados they used to make fresh guacamole and you can taste it with tortilla. There was a huge assortment of ice creams and these are various international brands. You can get it at a one place. So then there were freshly squeezed juices and some pastries and other products. So here is the place where you can also sit and eat and enjoy some of these products here in the supermarket itself. And if you like international cheese varieties like I do, there is a huge selection here. So right from France, European, other countries, you got different cheeses and then you can buy them or make an assorted box out of it. Then there is a section by Smoor, which is the gourmet pastry chocolates. They're quite famous for their macaroons actually. And just behind that, you got a full section of chocolates. So you got Smoor varieties and you have all the international brands. And this selection was absolutely phenomenal. They had a dedicated counter for M&M. Now these are my childhood favorites. I remember whenever I used to travel abroad, I used to bring them. You got a molten Cadbury machine here, which was also something new for me. So huge variety of chocolates. And if you like to cook those delicious recipes at home like we show on our channel, this is the kind of sourcing you need. So you look at the varieties of pastas. I mean, they are sourced from different parts of Italy. Similarly, they got Mexican authentic sauces, Thai authentic sauces, Oriental selection. So for international cooking ingredients, I think this is the must go to place where you can buy all those authentic sauces and condiments. So friends, I hope you like this food options and the varieties at the Jio World Drive BKC Mumbai. If you like the video, make sure you press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for amazing videos like this and press that bell icon. And until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy, keep traveling, keep eating.